Hi there, I'm Mike with Texas Direct Solar. You're probably wondering what's going to happen if I fill out this form. Will I get swamped with spam emails? Will I get hundreds of folks calling me trying to sell me something? Trust me, I get it. We've all been there. Rest assured, that's not what happens here. Here at Texas Direct Solar, there's never any pressure. We believe in straight talk and fair pricing. So this is what happens when you fill out this form. First, you'll get an email confirming that it was submitted. Then within 48 hours, you'll get a Texas Direct Solar specialist give you a phone call. It may even be me. Look, you're busy and smart. I realize you've been thinking about solar for a while. You've done your research, and now you feel it's time to get an estimate. I am delighted that you are giving us this opportunity. As a bonus, we'll even give you $500 towards your Texas Direct Solar installation. It's that simple. So fill out the form, hit submit, and see if solar is right for you. Thank you for your time.